Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to tell you about the gaming process, what's going on about the gaming zones and gaming worlds. And there are a lot of gaming websites, but the actual games platform in which you need to downloading or just like watch their videos and watch their graphics and watch their assets about anything about these things, like here we have like Gotham Knights Neftis. I am already being used this game and just playing many times. So this is the one of the bestest game, this one, and this is the bestest website, gamespot.com. If you need any kind of videos, reviews, stuff picks, deals, games, you can see this related to PS, related to PC games, related to Switch, related to guiding, tech, mobile games, cloud games, and etc. and etc. So if you need any kind of information about the gaming thing, you will find this, you will get to know about this website. This is one of the bestest website, and there is a lot of games right here to this platform. And the second one is about, like, we have like this one in newsindia.com. Got it, guys? This is the one of the bestest platform. Or we have another website, we can say that you will get about the latest updates and the gaming things, about anything you will get to know about all these kind of stuff. So if you need any kind of thing, all these kind of stuff, you will get about to know about these games and etc. and many things, that kind of things. So nowadays there are many few famous games, and in the world there are getting views, reviews, and like downloading, stuffing, and each and everything. So if I'm going to be like to this again, GameSpot, you will get to know about the reviews about, you can say, Salt and Sacrifice review, Meg Hunter. This is gonna be the one of the bestest game, and you will get the review about this game. People give the reviews out of 10. From out of 10, we will the people give the 7 marks, if I'm gonna say that, out of 10. So if I'm gonna scroll down, and there are many other games, you can see straight to your to Yomi review. You can see this, and there are many great codes per in progress. So this is all the platform we have been. I've been going to be there, all these kind of links in my description of this video, so you will get about everything about the gaming processing, or just like gaming worlds and the gaming zone. So if you really like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon like tech programming. I will give you the updated anything about anything new and anything that is gonna be very interesting for you guys. Thank you very much.